Today I am going to embroider the letter A. I have taken 3 strands of black thread, and this portion of A I am going to use satin stitch. Simple satin stitch. Try and leave as little gap as possible. That's all. After filling in the leaf using satin stitch, this center line over here, I am going to use stem stitch. I have taken a darker shade of green and I am going to do a line of stem stitch. Simple, keep the thread on the left hand side and take small stitches. That's all. This center line over here, I am going to do this for all the leaves. I have divided each petal into 2 different parts. For the upper part, I have taken a shaded maroon thread and I will start from the center and I am going to do long and short stitch. I will fill it up using long and short stitch. Don't leave too much gap. For long and short stitch, you must always begin from the center. For this portion, the other half, I am going to use a different shade of thread. After completing the upper portion of the petal using a shaded maroon thread, I have taken a shade of brown and I am going to do the same thing for the lower portion also. I will start from the center and I am going to do long and short stitch. The same thing. And for each petal, I am going to do the same stitches. The same thing. This way I am going to complete the flower. For these I am going to use stem stitch simple stem stitch for these. Thread on the left hand side, take small stitches, and these I am going to fill it up using satin stitch. Simple satin stitch I am going to fill it up and start from here. That's all. I am going to fill up this circle using satin stitch. I am going to do the same thing for all these. The same thing. After completing the flower, I have used black thread and done some straight stitches. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.